In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome from Microsoft Edge. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish. So even if you're new to Windows or not very comfortable with browsers yet, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, make sure you're using Microsoft Edge, since that's the browser that comes pre-installed on Windows. Open Edge by clicking its blue and green swirl icon on your taskbar or in your Start menu. Once Edge is open, we're going to search for the official Chrome download page. Click into the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you normally see website addresses. Type Download Google Chrome and press Enter on your keyboard. Edge will load a search results page. Look for the result that clearly says something like Google Chrome, Download Chrome, and shows that it's from Google's official website. This is important. Only download Chrome from the official Google site to stay safe and avoid unwanted software. Go ahead and click that result. You should now be on the Chrome download page. On this page, you'll see a prominent button that says Download Chrome. Click that button. A small window may appear asking you to confirm the download or agree to terms and conditions. Take a quick moment to read the basic message, then click the button to accept and continue. Microsoft Edge will now start downloading the Chrome setup file, usually called something like Chrome Setup.exe. You'll typically see this appear at the top right or bottom of the Edge window, depending on your version. If you see a bar or a small download icon, click it to check the progress. Once the download finishes, click on the downloaded file to run it. If Windows shows a security or user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes, confirm by clicking Yes. This is normal for installing new software. The Chrome installer will open. It may automatically start downloading some additional files it needs, so give it a minute or two. You'll see a progress bar as it installs. When it's done, Chrome will launch automatically. At this point, you have Google Chrome installed on your PC. You can choose to make it your default browser if a prompt appears, or you can keep using Edge as well. You'll also see a new Chrome icon added to your desktop or taskbar, so you can open it quickly next time.